Hello dear students. In our previous revision videos we have discussed about different types of tournaments and the fixture, how to arrange teams in a proper way, proper arrangement so that there will not be any confusion during the tournament. So one we have discussed, that is a knockout fixture. Now today we are going to discuss about the staircase fixture. First one is the staircase fixture. Generally this fixture is used in the league or round robin tournament. Staircase fixture. As its name suggests you, there will be stairs through which the teams are participating or competing with each other. In our previous definitions, I told you that knockout teams are getting eliminated if they once lose or defeat the match. In knockout league fixtures, league tournaments, teams has to play with all other teams at least once, and means there will not be any use of lose or defeat. If they are losing, then also they will play with the other teams. If their match is draw, then also they have to play with the other teams. That we'll discussed already. And next things, suppose there are 7 teams, n is equal to 7. N is the number of teams. There are 7 teams. So how to arrange them in a staircase method? We will see that. We will try to. I will try to give you examples how to do that. We are going to do for the 7 teams. So let the teams will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this way you have to arrange. First round. Can see team 1 with 2 second team, again one will play with the third team, again one will play with the fourth team, one will play with the fifth team, one will play with the sixth team, one will play with the seventh team. Now in the second round, team 2 will playing with 3, 2 will play with 4, 2 will play with 5, 2 will play with 6, and 2 will play with 7. Third round, you can see 3 can play with 4, 3 can play with 5, 3 can play with 6, and 3 can play with 7. Next, fourth round, you can see 4 will play with 5, 4 will play with 6, and 4 will play with 7. Now, fifth round, 5 will play with 6 and 5 will play with 7. Sixth round, 6th will play with 7. So you can see this. It is the first round. It is second round. It is third round, it is fourth round, it is fifth round, and it is sixth round. So you can see this stair-like structure. So that is why it is called the staircase fixture. This is way how to arrange the teams. Here number of rounds you can say, number of rounds can be decided equal to total number of teams minus 1. See, here we have 7 teams total. So for 7 teams, number of rounds will be 7 minus 1 upon 7 minus 1, that is 6. So we have to play till 6 rounds. So this is the way how we can decide the number of rounds. We can decide early as possible. So you have seen that each team, as team 1 play with all other teams, team 2 played with all other teams, team 3 played with all other teams, team 4 played with other teams, team 5 other, team 6. So each team is playing with all other teams once. Decision or the winner can be chosen on the basis of points. That I already told you. That winners, after every match there will be a point. Generally they are getting 2 points after winning the match. If there is a draw, they will get 1 point each team. If there is a lose, winner will get 2 points and loser will get 0. So on the basis of point, we decide the winner. So this is the way how to adjust or arrange the teams in the staircase fixture. So hope you all have understood. One thing I want to tell you about this, very important thing. Last video I have not told you because that time I did not explain this type of fixture, staircase fixture. If you remember, in previous video I told you knockout fixture of 7 teams, and here also I told you staircase fixture of 7 teams. If you remember, I told you in our video, revision video, that number of matches are less time are consumed less in the knockout tournament, whereas number of matches in the league fixture, it is for league or round robin tournament. League number of matches are very much, we need more fund, we need more time. So for 7 teams in knockout, number of matches is equal to total number of team minus 1. So if 7 teams, number of matches 7 minus 1, that is 6. For league, number of matches is equal to n into n minus 1 upon 2. Hence there are 7 teams, 7 into 7 minus 1 upon 2, that is 7 into 6 upon 2. You can see 7 into 6, 42 upon 2, 21 matches. So you can see the difference. Here only 6 and here we have 21. So this is the vast difference. I hope you have understood. That is why sometimes we only conduct if you have less time, we can conduct only knockout matches or elimination matches. If we have more time or we want to extend their big stage tournament, so they prefer the league and sometimes the combination of these two. So hope you have understood the things, and previous video also you try to understand the things properly and try to solve more questions on the basis of these things. Many questions are there in your book given, I can see many things are given. You can go through and study well. That I expect from you all. Thank you very much.